Okay, so this was something that I wanted to try out for a long time and do consistently, so I figured to do it in a video so I could show you guys the results. Honestly though, before I even thought of doing this video, I use ice cubes on my face already. Not consistently, but very often. I use aloe vera that's frozen on my face, and I use cucumber ice cubes. So I will show you which ones I used and throughout the week what the results were, so let's go. So I have cucumber ice cubes already made. I made more cucumber ice cubes, but just the difference is these have chunks of cucumber still in it, and then these are strained, so they're just the cucumber water. And then these right here, it looks a little funny, but they have green tea leaves and green tea in them, all nicely stored in the bags. And then today I'm going to be using one of the cucumber water ice cubes. Okay, so it's morning time. For the challenge, you're supposed to do it in the morning before you start your skincare routine. I do think that automatically it brought down the puffiness. If you could see in the other lighting, there was like a dent right here. It brought that down and smoothed it out. Without doing any of my serums or like skincare, I feel like my skin looks a little brighter even before I didn't. Okay, so it's day 2 of the ice cube challenge, and today I'm going to be using one of the green tea ice cubes. So this is just green tea leaves at the bottom. Swelling underneath my eyes and like the dent lines that I had in my face have gone down. They're still there, but it's definitely gone down. It's not as puffy around this area. Also, I'm in natural lighting, so the skin looks a lot brighter, and I haven't done any serums or skincare yet. So my skin is definitely getting used to the ice cubes because it would take a few minutes for all the swelling to go down. But now, almost immediately when I start to use the ice cubes, the swelling goes down really quickly, like within the minute I stop. Day 4, an observation that I noticed is that the more you do it consistently each morning, the more your face gets used to the ice cube, and the faster the swelling goes down. Before, it would take like a few minutes, and then I would see like a noticeably difference in the swelling. But then once I keep using it, my skin gotten used to it, and the swelling goes down within that minute. So to show you guys in natural lighting to see if this really is working and making the skin go down quicker. And today we're going to use the green tea one. My skin woke up on the side, you could tell, and then this side sleep. So it is day 6 and my face is so red and itchy. Cucumber one today because it just feels so irritated. Like, so I think on camera already I could see the redness going down, especially around my eyes, and my skin does not feel irritated or itchy anymore. On day 6, my best observation for these little ice cubes is that something so simple and easy to make is so effective on the skin and so effective to use in the morning time. Also too, another thing that I've noticed when doing the ice cube treatment is that the more you do it, the more your skin gets used to it. My final thoughts on using ice cubes every day is that I am going to continue to do this. Since this video ends, the week has been over, and I've done it every single day for the last few days. It tightens the pores and it helps the swelling in the morning like that. And especially if you keep doing it consistently, you're gonna see that the swelling and your skin takes the ice a lot better and makes the swelling go down a lot quicker. If you're thinking it's worth it, or you're thinking it's kind of weird to rub ice on your face, think again, try it out, and you guys, I promise, will like it. At first you're gonna be like, this is too cold, this is like really hurting my face, but your skin does get used to it and you do see results. So if you do want to start off with regular ice cubes, that's fine, but I really suggest to use and make like cucumber, green tea. You can make any type of tea ice cube, and I feel like it just adds a benefit to your skin. So I hope you enjoyed my challenge type ice cube video. I will do more skincare videos in the future, and I'll leave the ones that I have done down below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.